You've probably heard that dates are healthy. But what if I told you that eating just 2 dates a day could completely transform your body in just 30 days? It sounds too simple to be true, right? Well, buckle up, because what you're about to discover might just convince you to make this sweet little fruit a daily habit for life. By the way, before we jump in, where in the world are you watching from, and what time is it right now? I love seeing all the different places our viewers are tuning in from. So, what exactly happens inside your body when you eat 2 dates every single day? And why are more and more people swearing by this ancient fruit as a daily health hack? Let's break it down. 7 surprising benefits, backed by science and real results. Benefit 1. Your digestion starts to thank you. Let's talk about your gut, the real engine of your body that no one sees but everyone feels when it's out of whack. Now imagine this. You start your day by eating just 2 dates. Not a giant smoothie, not a fiber supplement, just 2 simple dates. And within a few days, your body starts to feel lighter, less bloated, more regular. You didn't change anything else? Just the dates? So what's going on? Well, dates are rich in something your digestive system loves: natural fiber. Just 2 of them pack a surprising amount of it. That fiber acts like a gentle internal broom, helping to push waste through your intestines smoothly and efficiently. No more struggling or relying on harsh laxatives that leave your gut feeling drained and irritated. Over the course of 30 days, many people report that their bowel movements become more regular and easier to pass. The kind of gut flow that just feels right. No drama, no discomfort, no surprises. But there's more. The type of fiber found in dates is especially beneficial for your gut microbiome, those trillions of tiny bacteria that live in your digestive tract. These little guys play a huge role in your immunity, energy levels, and even your mood. When you feed them with the right fuel, like the fiber from dates, they thrive. And when they thrive, so do you. Even better, unlike some high-fiber foods that can be hard on sensitive stomachs, dates are gentle. They're soft, naturally sweet, and easy to digest, making them perfect for just about anyone, whether you're a health nut or just getting started on your wellness journey. And let's be honest, most of us aren't getting enough fiber. But when it comes packaged in a sweet, chewy fruit that tastes like dessert, suddenly it doesn't feel like a chore. So if you've been feeling bloated, sluggish, or just off in your gut lately, this might be your new secret weapon. 2 dates a day. No mess, no prep, no weird powders, just nature doing its thing, and your body reaping the rewards. Benefit 2. Clean energy that lasts. Now let's talk energy. Not the wired-on coffee kind that crashes an hour later, but clean, steady, natural energy that actually lasts. If you've ever hit that dreaded afternoon slump, when your brain fog rolls in, your eyelids get heavy, and the vending machine starts calling your name, you're not alone. Most people are stuck on a roller coaster of caffeine and sugar, chasing bursts of energy that never really stick. But what if the solution wasn't another cup of coffee, but 2 dates? Dates are nature's version of a perfectly balanced energy booster. They're packed with natural sugars, specifically glucose, fructose, and sucrose. These aren't the refined artificial kinds that spike your blood sugar and leave you crashing an hour later. These are slow-burning, steady energy sugars that your body knows exactly how to use. Here's what happens. When you eat 2 dates, your body gets an immediate boost from the glucose, perfect for quick energy. But then, the fructose and sucrose kick in to keep your fuel levels stable, avoiding that crash and burn cycle we all hate. You feel more alert, more focused, and more alive, without the side effects of energy drinks or sugary snacks. And when you make this a daily habit, something incredible happens over time. After about 30 days, people often notice they don't need that second cup of coffee anymore. They're naturally more energized in the morning, more productive in the afternoon, and they recover faster from workouts or busy days. Plus, dates contain vitamins like B6 and potassium, which help your cells produce and regulate energy more efficiently. Think of it like upgrading the batteries in your body. Same system, just running cleaner and longer. And here's the best part. You get all this energy in a snack that tastes like candy. No chemicals, no crash, no regrets. If you've been feeling tired, sluggish, or overly dependent on caffeine, this tiny tweak could be a total game changer. 2 dates a day. That's it. Your energy deserves better than temporary fixes, and your body will thank you for fueling it the way nature intended. Benefit 3. Your heart gets a daily upgrade. Let's shift gears and talk about something we all care about: heart health. Your heart beats around 100,000 times a day. That's over 35 million beats a year, non-stop. But here's the thing. Most of us don't even think about our hearts until something goes wrong. The good news? You can support this vital organ with just 2 simple dates a day. Yes, really, dates can be a heart's best friend. These small, wrinkled fruits are packed with potassium, magnesium, and powerful antioxidants. A trio your cardiovascular system absolutely loves. Let's break it down. Potassium helps regulate your blood pressure by balancing out sodium levels in your body. It literally takes the pressure off your arteries, and dates are naturally loaded with it. No pills required. Magnesium, on the other hand, is like a relaxant for your blood vessels. It keeps everything flowing smoothly, reducing the strain on your heart and lowering the risk of hypertension over time. And then come the antioxidants, especially flavonoids. These compounds fight off inflammation and help prevent the oxidation of LDL cholesterol, which is one of the main culprits behind plaque buildup in the arteries. The result? A smoother, stronger, more efficient heart. Studies have even shown that regular date consumption can reduce triglyceride levels and improve cholesterol balance. And here's the cool part. These benefits can start showing up in as little as 30 days. Just by eating 2 dates daily, you're giving your heart nutrients that help it work smarter, not harder. It's like sending your heart to the spa, but from the inside. And there's no prep, no blender, no bitter taste. Just a couple of naturally sweet bites, anytime during your day. Whether you're 30 or 60, whether you're already healthy or just starting your wellness journey, supporting your heart doesn't have to be complicated. 2 dates a day might seem small, but when it comes to heart health, small steps lead to big protection. So, if you're looking for a simple, delicious way to show your heart some love, this might be the habit worth keeping. Benefit 4. Stronger bones. Naturally. Let's talk about something we often don't think about until it's too late. Our bones. They're literally the framework that holds us together. And yet, most of us forget about bone health until something cracks, aches, or creaks. But here's the thing. Your bones aren't just set in stone. They're living tissue, and they respond to how you treat them. Now, here's where dates come in. Believe it or not, just 2 dates a day can actually play a big role in helping you maintain stronger, healthier bones, especially as you age. Why? Because dates are rich in bone-supporting nutrients like calcium, phosphorus, potassium, magnesium, and even vitamin K. Let's start with calcium and phosphorus. They're the classic duo responsible for keeping your bones dense and strong. But your body needs help absorbing and using that calcium effectively. That's where magnesium and vitamin K come in. Magnesium helps activate vitamin D, which improves calcium absorption, while vitamin K supports proper bone metabolism, essential for preventing fractures and bone loss. Think of it like a symphony, all these minerals working together in harmony. And dates naturally contain them all, in just the right balance. But there's more. As we age, especially after 30, our bones gradually begin to lose density. It's a slow process, but if left unchecked, it can lead to conditions like osteopenia or osteoporosis later in life. Adding 2 dates to your daily routine may not seem like much, but it's a consistent source of the raw materials your bones need to stay strong. Over 30 days, your body begins to store and use those nutrients more effectively, especially if you're pairing it with other healthy habits like walking or strength training. And here's the bonus. Unlike chalky supplements or fortified drinks, dates are sweet, chewy, and delicious. It's bone health disguised as a treat. So if you're looking to future-proof your frame and keep doing the things you love without pain or limits, start small. Start with 2 dates a day, because strong bones aren't built overnight, but they are built one bite at a time. Benefit 5. A daily boost for your brain. If you've ever walked into a room and forgotten why, or stared at your screen struggling to focus, you're not alone. In today's world, brain fog is real. But what if 2 simple dates a day could help clear the haze? It might sound too good to be true, but dates are more than just a sweet snack. They're brain food, and here's why. Inside each chewy bite are powerful antioxidants, especially flavonoids and phenolic acid. These natural compounds help fight off inflammation and oxidative stress in the brain, 2 major factors linked to memory decline and neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. Think of it this way. Your brain is like a computer. Over time, with too much stress, poor diet, and lack of sleep, it starts to slow down, lag, and even glitch. Dates act like a gentle internal cleaning system, removing the mental clutter and helping your brain run smoother. And here's the cool part. A 30-day habit of eating just 2 dates a day can actually support better memory retention, sharper focus, and improved mental clarity. You may notice you're not losing your keys as often, or that words come to you more easily during conversations, but that's not all. Dates also contain vitamin B6, which helps the body create neurotransmitters, like serotonin and dopamine, that regulate your mood and help with cognitive performance. So while your brain gets sharper, you might also feel more balanced and less mentally fatigued. Plus, thanks to their natural sugars and fiber, dates offer a steady energy release, giving your brain the glucose it needs, without the crash you'd get from candy or energy drinks. And let's be honest, taking care of your brain doesn't always feel convenient. Meditation, supplements, mental exercises, they all take time and effort. But this is effortless. 2 little dates. Pop them in mid-morning or after lunch, and you're doing something powerful for your most important organ without even thinking about it. If your mind's been feeling cloudy lately, don't wait for it to get worse. Support your brain naturally. Because when your brain feels better, everything gets better. Benefit 6. Natural detox power, no cleanse required. Let's be real, when most people hear the word detox, they think of expensive juice cleanses, powdery supplements, or week-long diets that leave you hangry and drained. But what if your body could detox naturally, every single day, with just 2 dates? Here's the deal. Your body already wants to detox. It's built for it. Your liver, kidneys, and digestive system are constantly working behind the scenes to flush out toxins and keep things running clean. But just like any system, they need the right fuel to do the job well. That's where dates come in. These little fruits are packed with soluble fiber, which acts like a sponge in your gut, trapping toxins, waste, and excess cholesterol, then sweeping them out of your body gently and effectively. No bloating, no urgency, just better flow and balance. Over 30 days, this daily cleanup helps lighten the load on your liver and digestive system. You may start to notice things like clearer skin, less bloating, better breath, and even improved energy because your body isn't bogged down trying to process junk it couldn't eliminate before. But that's not all. Dates are also loaded with antioxidants, especially flavonoids and carotenoids, which help neutralize free radicals, those unstable molecules that damage your cells and accelerate aging. So while your body is detoxing physically, dates are also fighting inflammation and oxidative stress on a cellular level. That's next-level cleansing, without a single shot of wheatgrass. And here's a bonus. Dates are naturally hydrating thanks to their potassium and magnesium content. These minerals help balance fluid levels in your body and support healthy kidney function, another key part of the detox process. No pills, no weird teas, no extreme fasting, just 2 dates a day, consistently. That's it. So if you've been feeling sluggish, heavy, or just off, your body might be asking for a reset. And that reset doesn't have to be hard or expensive. Let nature do what it does best. Add 2 dates to your daily routine and let your body handle the rest the way it was always designed to. Benefit 7. Sweet support for weight loss. Wait, did we just say sweet and weight loss in the same sentence? Yep, we sure did. If you've been trying to lose weight, you probably know the struggle all too well. Cutting sugar, battling cravings, and constantly searching for something satisfying that won't wreck your progress. Well, here's a delicious little secret. 2 dates a day might actually support your weight loss journey. And no, this isn't clickbait. It's backed by how your body responds to real whole foods. Let's break it down. Dates are naturally sweet, yes, but they're also nutrient-dense, meaning they give you a lot of what your body needs: fiber, minerals, and natural sugars, without empty calories. That fiber is the real MVP here. It helps you feel full faster and stay full longer, which is key if you're trying to eat less without feeling like you're starving. Many people find that adding 2 dates to their afternoon routine helps crush sugar cravings before they spiral out of control. Instead of grabbing a cookie or candy bar, you get the sweetness your brain is looking for, but with none of the guilt and all of the nutrition. And here's the kicker. Dates help stabilize blood sugar, not spike it, especially when eaten in moderation with healthy fats or protein. This helps avoid the crash and crave cycle that keeps most people stuck. Over 30 days, this tiny shift can make a big difference. Less snacking, fewer binges, and better portion control, all without feeling deprived. And because dates are so satisfying, they can actually help you stay on track with your eating goals. No willpower war, no complicated meal plan. Just one small, smart habit that works with your body, not against it. They're also a perfect pre-workout snack. The natural sugars provide quick energy, while the potassium helps with muscle function and recovery, so you move more and burn more naturally. So yes, you can absolutely enjoy something sweet and still make progress. 2 dates a day. That's all it takes to satisfy your cravings, fuel your body, and support your weight loss goals in the tastiest way possible. Because healthy doesn't have to be hard, and it definitely doesn't have to be bland.